of your life. And I experienced this when I was in Israel 6-7 years ago. Parents are the father and mother. For me, I'm just a pastor. Si Reg, si Luis, they're there into the world. And then lastly, when it comes to dedicating Esther unto the Lord, God will want to give us a heart that is really yours. That one of her days, she have a pure heart that seeks you and knows she is your beloved child. Thank you for being a God.
Go, 1, 2, 3, go!